Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now I'll explain how to get 5,000 to 7,000 fellowship per month while studying your UG and PG degree. UG means BSc level, PG means MSc level. If you want to get 5,000 to 7,000 fellowship per month apart from your education, apart from your UG and PG studying, you have to apply for KVPY 2021. In this video I'll explain complete details of KVPY 2021. Please don't skip the video, watch the video, then if you are eligible for KVPY 2021, apply for it, and then if you are clear, then you can get the fellowship. Okay. KVPY Kishore Vaigyanik Prostahak Yojan. Here applications are invited from schools and college students interested in pursuing basic science. See, who are applying for KVPY 2021, they should be study basic sciences. They should be study UG and PG in their basic science. Basic science means it may be BSc, or it may be BS, or it may be integrated MSc or integrated MS. Example for basic sciences: BSc, any BSc with chemistry, physics and maths, or BSc with botany, zoology and chemistry, or BSc biotechnology, or BSc biochemistry, or BSc mathematics, or BSc statistics, or any BSc or any MSc or any integrated MSc. Integrated MSc means use degree along with the MSc. Few colleges offer integrated MSc, means it is a 5 years course. Integrated MSc is a integrated MSc, and integrated MSc is 5 years course, in which you can complete BSc in 3 years, again 2 years, remaining 2 years directly you can continue the MSc. That is integrated MSc and integrated MS. Then if you want to study BTech, and if you want to study the any law, MBBS, BDS, BHMS, okay, those courses are not eligible for this KVPY 2021 fellowship. Okay, students who are interested for studying basic sciences and career in research, that basic sciences are example BSc, BS, integrated MSc and integrated MS. Those are eligible for KVPY 2021. Next, first of all, if you see the important dates of KVPY 2021, the online application portal will be open on 12th July 2021 at 5 p.m. Then last date for applying online application for KVPY 2021, that is 25th August 2021. Then exam date for KVPY exam is 7th November 2021. Then you have to pay fees while applying online. You should pay fees, that is 1250, and for SC ST it is around, I think, 650. You should pay this much of fees. If you are general, 1250. If you are SC ST or any handicapped peoples, those has to pay around 650. Then who can apply for this KVPY 2021? Actually, 3 category students can apply for KVPY 2021. That categories are: number 1 is SA, number 2 SX, number 3 is SB. SA means the students who are completed their 10th, means who are wrote the exam in 10th and who are pass in 10th class and joined first PUC or 11th class for academic year 2021 to 2022. Those are under the SA category. They can apply KVPY 2021 in SA category, means they should complete their 10th. They should complete their 10th means they may wrote exam in 2021 and they got result, and again they should join in 2021 2022 academic year with the science group. Science group means PCM, PCB, PCMB, etc. Then SX, who are pass their 11th class and studying 12th in 2021 and 2022 academic year. SX category students means who are completed their 11th class with science, PCM, PCMB or PCB, and they should join, means they are studying 12th class in 2021 to 2022 academic year. Next, SB means who are completed their 12th class, then they got admission in basic sciences. I told basic sciences what are that: BSc, normal BSc, BS, who completed 12th class and got admission in BSc in 2021-22 academic year. Okay, means their BSc first year is in 2021-2022 academic year. Those are eligible to apply under the SB category. That is the 3 categories of KVPY 2021. Who are completed 10th, those are eligible for SA category. Who completed 11th, those are eligible for SX category. Who completed 12th, those are eligible for SB category. Next, one by one we will see about SA category, SB category, SX category. Already I told that SA category eligibility is students who have passed in their 10th board examination and they have got admission in science group in the year 2021 to 22. Those are eligible for this SA stream. Then the students should be provided the study certificate of 11th class. If they are selected in KVPY examination 2021 examination, they should be submit the study certificate of 11th class. Then apart from that they should get minimum 60% marks in their 12th class, 11th and 12th class. They should get 11th and 12th class average percentage 60%. If they are SC, ST, physically handicapped, they should get approximately 50% marks. Actually, if the students who are studying 11th class in 2021-22, if they clear the KVPY 2021 examination, they will get fellowship for their UG and PG. This fellowship is for UG and PG, means they will not get fellowship if they are selected. Also they will not get fellowship for the 11th and 12th class. After 11th and 12th class they will get fellowship if they are joined in basic sciences for their UG level and PG level. That is about SA category. Next, SX. Students who are enrolled in 12th standards, means now they are studying 12th standard in academic year 2021 to 2022. Those are eligible for SX category. Then after the PUC they should also, after the 12th class they also should join in BSc, BSc Stats, BSc Mathematics, Integrated MSc or Integrated MS or any basic sciences for the academic year 22 to 23. Then apart from that they should get approximately minimum 60% marks in their 11th and 12th standard. Average marks, average, that also science marks only they will take. Okay, 12th standard only they will take. In 12th standard they should get approximately 60% marks. Then only if they are pass in KVPY 2021 examination also, if they get above 60% marks in their 12th class in the science subject means physics, chemistry, botany and zoology or biology, then only those are eligible for the fellowship. Next, eligibility for SB means students who are already completed their 12th class and they are joined in BSc first year for the 2021 to 2022 academic year. Those are eligible for this, and they should get approximately 60% marks in science subjects in their BSc first year. They should get 60% marks in their BSc first year. Then only they are eligible to get fellowship. Otherwise, if they clear the KBPY 2021 and if you get less percentage than 60% in their BSc, those are not eligible. That is about the eligibility for stream SB. Then if you see the examination pattern, there are 4 subjects in the KBPY 2021 examination. First of all, if you see the examination for stream SA, means who are now studying their 11th class, who are enrolled in 11th class, those are under the stream SA. Okay, there is a 4 subjects that are mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology for SA students. 4 subjects are compulsory, that are divided into 2 categories. Each subject questions are divided into 2 categories, part 1 and part 2. They will get 15 marks in part 1 of each subject and 15 questions in part 1 of each subject and 5 questions from part 2 of each subject. In part 1, 1 question carry 1 mark. In part 2, 1 question will carry 2 marks. Means, example, if you see the mathematics, there is a 15 questions in part 1, hence total marks are 15, 1 mark for 1 question. Then if you see the part 2, there is a 5 questions, but each question will carry the 2 marks, hence total marks in part 2 are 10. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 15, total marks for mathematics is 25, and physics will carry 25 marks, chemistry carry 25 marks, biology will carry 25 marks. Total marks for SA students is 100 marks. 100 marks. Examination is 100 marks. 4 subjects, each subject will carry 25 marks. Then examination pattern for SB and SX students, means who are enrolled in 12th class and BSc first year. Okay, for them there is a 4 subjects: mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. But there is a choice to them. They can select only any 3 subjects, that is any 2 combinations. They can select 2 combinations that are means they can select the mathematics, physics, chemistry, or they can left the mathematics. Instead of mathematics they can select the physics, chemistry and biology. they can take PCM or PCB, means one subject they can eliminate. Then if you see, if they eliminate the mathematics, they will consider the 3 subjects that are physics, chemistry and biology. Here also part 1 and part 2, 2 parts are there. Part 1 questions will carry 1 mark and part 2 questions will carry the 2 marks. If you take example physics, part 1 has 20 questions, hence 20 marks. Then part 2 has 10 questions. 10 means here each question will carry the 2 marks, hence total marks are 20. 20 plus 20, 40 marks. Okay, each subject 40 marks, then total marks are 120. That is about the stream SB and SX. Then after that you have to know one thing. Actually, because of COVID or because of Corona, in KVPY 2021 there is no interview. Actually, KVPY examination completed in two steps. First one is a computer based examination and second one is interview. But here they have removed for KVPY selection, they have removed the interview in 2021. They will select students for the fellowship only based on computer based examination or computer based test. There is no interviews, that you should remember. Then what is the use if you are selected for KVPY 2021 fellowship? Not only amount, there is another uses also there. You can get direct admissions. Direct admission you can get in IISER and IISc. These are very famous institutes in India. In these institutes you can join for your UG or PG. Then monthly 5,000 fellowship you will get in your UG. UG means BSc or BS. For month you will get 5,000. Apart from this 5,000, per year contingency grant you will get 20,000. Then if you see the PG, not UG, in PG level you will get monthly 7,000. Then for 1 year extra amount you will get, that is 28,000. Then you can get ID card also. You can get ID card to access the libraries, research labs and universities. Then there is a expert guidance by top researchers in the world and national science camps. Okay, they will conduct national science camps. There you can get the guidelines of the top researchers and different famous people's guidelines you can get. That is about the benefits of KVPY. Thank you. If you like the video, like it. If you not subscribe it. Then you can share it to your friends. Thank you.